All projects must start with coffee. Actually, lots of coffee. Hello Bigfoot enthusiasts, Scott here from Squatch America, and today we're going to be doing a little project on the truck for Terrific Tuesday. Not every Tuesday is a great super go out and do fun things day, but today we have to live our lives. So today I'm going to be doing a little project I've been wanting to do on the truck. We've got Daisy hooked up out here playing with her ball. Yeah, she actually throws it herself and catches it. Weird dog. So today what I want to do is something I've been wanting to do. We have this wonderful shower here on the truck, but if you look, it sticks out quite a ways from the side of the truck. It doesn't stick out past the fenders, but I just don't like the way it looks and don't like it hanging out here because it's not very stable. So what I'm going to do is I've got the parts and we're going to put a drawer slide on this, so this will slide in when we're traveling and then slide it back out when we're done. And I was just looking, I think it will, yeah, it will clear that light just barely, but so that's the project we're working on today. And another thing I haven't shown you guys, but almost everything that's on this truck, you know, I built, you know, there's parts we bought and put together, of course, like the lumber rack, but those big steel beams up here, we put those in to support the tent. This fantastic box in the back here that we keep our fuel and water in, locked up, was built by my son-in-law, who's a fantastic fabricator. I can't say that word, but anyway, most everything here we built. So I'm going to show you something that are in these boxes later that since we live full-time in our RV and travel, I have to keep my whole entire life in that truck. So there's stuff in the truck that I don't think I've showed before, so we're going to do that in a little bit later, but meanwhile we're going to get to work on our little project. Here we go. So here's the stuff we got from the hardware store for the project. We've got drawer slides, we've got a piece of metal I'm going to need, the screws to put it together with, and down here we got a drill bit because I never have the right size drill bit whenever I need to do something. I've got a million drill bits. None of them are ever the right size. So we're going to get started on the project. All right, it's a new day because I had a problem with the old day. The old day was when we were putting things back together for my little project. I forgot to hit record when we were wrapping it up. So here's the finished product. We got the drawer slides. So the shower comes out to here. Of course, it hangs down and makes a big box out in this area here. So when we're done with the shower, we can just shove it back in there. Now, one thing I was a little bit disappointed with is because where they mount here, I need to move this in a little bit further. So I'm going to get this, I'm going to move it probably about another 3 inches inwards. I got to be careful so the inside there doesn't hit our ladder. Why do you have a ladder? Because I need a ladder sometimes. But another thing I wanted to tell you is I said I was going to talk about some of the stuff on the truck. In this box, and you've seen this before, is our surveillance system, camera right there, electronics and all the batteries, and gets fed by the solar up there. But there's other things like this right here. That's an air connection because there is an air compressor on the inside of this. And so we can run the air compressor, and I have the hose here to we can air up and air down our tires if we need them. Also have a battery charger in here. This is all our recovery gear. We've got some straps and stuff. And of course I also have my these here where everybody says they're absolutely worthless. I've never had to use them, so I don't know. And other recovery stuff, we have a handyman jack here. We got our axe, shovel. Inside here we also have another hydraulic jack in case I need it, so I can pretty much get myself out of any situation that I might get into. So I said I was going to talk about some of the extra stuff we have on the truck that a lot of people don't know about. Well, that's it. We can actually, even got an impact wrench. We can change our own tires. And as if you notice, this thing has 6. So I just want to say thanks for watching. I know it wasn't a super great get together fun time, but sometimes you got to do maintenance. So you keep watching, we'll keep squatching and doing maintenance.